Right, hello everyone. Hello. Okay, so yeah, we're playing some Universe Sandbox. I'm going to turn that down. Get my desktop audio going. So we are pretty much ready to begin. Here we are. But I don't know really what I'm doing, if I'm being that serious. I don't know what I should be doing. I don't know if any of this is going to legitimately just crash my PC. There's a good chance that if I do anything to this, it could just crash it. Which is not what we want. Obviously, we do have some stuff up here which is interesting. We can open up some new simulations and everything. I've seen all of that stuff. We can do stuff with the planet. I'm going to go slow us a bit down because that's quite good. That's going quite quickly, actually, to be fair. Slow us right down. Let's head to the Earth. So we can do stuff in this game. I don't even know, is this a game? Is this even considered realistically a game? Like, I don't really understand what we're doing. We can change a lot of stuff actually. What if I put gravity up by like 10? Oh, I think, yeah, I think I may have killed everyone on Earth. And I don't know if that's going to cause an issue in terms of... Yeah, that's caused an issue. That's definitely caused an issue. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I've caused an issue here, by the seams of things. I think I may have even caused an issue with the sun, which is not the best. Has Earth been ejected? Everything is just getting drawn inwards. Saturn's here as well. Oh my god. Can I, like, spawn stuff in? Ooh, tools. And I can add stuff to this. Oh my god. Kepler. I could add like Kepler or something, whatever the hell Kepler's doing. Kepler is in just quite a nice rotation, actually, to be fair. We can add a lot of stuff. Beetlejuice. Oh my god, if I just add this all the way over here, is that going to cause an issue eventually? If I have two Beetlejuices literally opposite each other, like, is that going to cause an issue? You probably would imagine yes, given the fact that there's now two huge suns inwards. How's the Earth doing? Yeah, the Earth doesn't seem to be holding on very well. Yeah, it's quite warm. It is the average temperature. The coldest it gets is 55 degrees. That's not good. That's not good at all. And now we got these two stars here. Are these two stars just going to start an orbit? What are these two stars doing? Are they just going to stay exactly still? Oh, no. No, we've... Oh, my god. Yeah, I wasn't meant to do that. Because accidentally, I think... I've killed everything. Already I've killed everything. Now, let's open some existing stuff. So obviously we've got our solar system, which I can bring us back to our solar system if this doesn't crash the game. Okay, good. So you can see our solar system. This is our solar system. Aries, is that... Oh, there's Aries. What's Aries doing? Aries is doing there. Can we see the moon in this? Or can we go to like an Earth and moon kind of thing? So you got tidally locked Earth, an asteroid, Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxy's collision. I've got an instinct feeling that's going to potentially break the game. Oh, Jupiter and his many moons. What about this one? The Milky Way. Here it is. Here's the Milky Way. Milky Way Galaxy, also known as the Silver River, Bird's Path, the Winter Street, and countries. Okay, right. So here we are. We are at our galaxy, and this is going by it's going very quickly, to say the least. So can we mess around with this? Like if I was to track the gravity up a bit, let's say if I did it again by 10. Oh yes, I've accidentally really messed things up. I probably accidentally just made it so that the black hole's going to just swallow everything up there. Yeah, that's not good. I didn't really want to do that. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff here that we can do to it. I don't well no, well this is okay. I can pulse fireworks, I can explode a galaxy. Can I just actually just explode an entire galaxy? I don't think we can. Which is quite sad, but ooh, okay, so we've got what else have we got? We've got a bunch of other stuff here that we can use as well. No, let's go and see the galaxy collision. Let's see if this is going to break the game. It hasn't broken the game. Okay. So, the Milky Way Galaxy and the Andromeda Galaxy. This is a collision that this will happen. I think. Yeah, this is happening. Oh. There you go. The two black holes have collided. And this is now just going to form one massive galaxy, if I'm correctly thinking. If we just let it go by for years and years and years and years and years and just let everything eventually in a circle, this will eventually form into one galaxy, as I think it's starting to do now. Like stuff's starting to get drawn back into it. Like this is, what was that then? Like this'll. Whoa! What was that? Oh, there's like stuff everywhere. And let me just pause it very quickly. Right, okay. So if I just calm it down a little bit, it's still going very, very quickly. There you go. There is so much stuff everywhere. If I were to explode just a black hole in the center, does this do anything or not? No, I don't think it's doing anything. But that's quite cool. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Right. Tidally locked Earth. Let's have a look at this. So this is Earth if it was just tidally locked. And you can see one side of the planet is nearing 120 degrees Celsius, and the colder bits are going like, yeah, that part of the one second. If I just pause it very quickly, turn that on, because then you can see it all. Yeah, like this part of the planet is literally boiling. Everything else is frozen over. Yeah, everything else has just frozen over, pretty much, other than this bit here has now been turned into a desert. So all of this has been turned into a desert, everything else is just ice at the moment. Can we potentially, if I just go off this and then allow it to play, but turn it right down to that's okay. 14 hours a second, that's fine. We're not really moving overly quickly. Right, okay, so let's see if we can do something with this. We're already on it, so let's have a look. Average temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. I think there probably is life on this planet, to be fair. There probably is life on this planet. Just in the areas that are just freezing cold or boiling hot. Right. So the plan is going to be see if we can plan it. Okay, that's quite interesting. Right, if I just come to view habitable zone. Well, you can actually, that's really interesting. Venus is technically just within our habitable zone. Mercury obviously isn't, and Mars is outside even the cold area. But if I turn off the trails and that, yeah, you can't see anything. That is so interesting. If I go down here, we are now on top of the Earth. And there's the sun. Whoa, Jesus Christ. So, this is what it is like on the sun, and you can see literally everything else. Whoa, that's bright. Right, now, let's see what happens. I think I know what's going to happen when I do this. Oh, okay. Just explode everything. Oh no. Yeah, I didn't mean. I should have. I expected that, to be honest. I expected that would happen. Can we explode a bunch of? We can just explode every other planet. Yeah, I kind of did think that was going to happen. Right, let's see if we have anything else in here. Okay, right. Oh my god. Okay, right, we need to pause that because this is actually destroying everything. But this is every single planet between the Earth and the Moon, just to give a scale of how far away the Moon actually is in retrospect. Like, it's not as close as we all did think. Oh, here's the Moon. Right, so you know what? We will have a bit of fun with this in a second. I just want to look at this for a bit. That's actually. I just. Here's the Moon. And just that this is like every single planet is in this line. Also, this game has some cool music in it. Like this is actually quite interesting. This is actually quite cool. Right, now, let's of course have some fun. This is very interesting though. I wonder what we could do to this to make it very interesting. We'll leave that on just because. Let's do it. We'll add something. Let's add. Let's add some stars. We got Beetlejuice again. This is quite a big star, to be fair. Let's just add a bunch of them. We just add a bunch of them around to see what happens. Oh. Yeah, I think we're probably cooking everything. I think probably. Okay, yes, everything's getting like sucked in, and if. I think it's melting and my game is lagging quite bad. Oh no, that's going to cause a... Probably, yeah. I should have expected that to happen again. And we've just had a huge supernova happen. You know what? When you've got one, you may as well get them all. Boom, boom, boom. Oh! Oh no, that's not good. I can't see anything that's in there right now. I cannot see a thing. Explode everything. Okay, that should have been foreseeable. But I'm just exploding every bit of it now. I'm shrinking it. Okay, that's actually quite interesting. I'm basically just stopping it from... Where is it? Okay, that's where it is. Right. This is quite insane. Like, Jesus Christ. Okay. We'll just let that go on for all eternity. We'll just let that keep going on. Right, supernova and galaxy. That could be quite interesting. This is probably going to happen very quickly, though. Ooh! There it is. That's the supernova. So that is how far we... So that's how far, when I zoom out, when we see a supernova, that's because it's covering literally an entire part of the galaxy. Jesus Christ. So you've got a black hole in there as well, which is just doing its own thing, but... Jesus. Put a torch on as well, but I don't think that does anything because there's so much light to you anyway that you don't even need it. You got a bunch of nebulas as well. And Sagittarius A. And it's gone. The supernova's gone. That's how... Well, I say how quick it happens. That it did take ages. Like, we're going by like 5,000 years a second. So it's not like exactly going quickly. Right. Saturn with rings. Let's have a look at this. Here it is. This is Saturn. This is what we want to see. This is Saturn with the rings we want to see. We know and love. Right. If I put that on, we can actually see the entire planet. There it is. Right. If I then create, let's say, if I then add a black hole, what happens to the rings? Do the rings just disappear? Rings, okay. Ring system, okay, that's fine. You can make advanced settings as well. My objects, I haven't made anything. I haven't got anything with this either. Black hole. Okay, that is actually not what I needed. I need to make... Okay, I need to get one that's small, but there. So I guess we can just pause the game. Add Earth in... No, not a black hole. Planets. This is what we want. Add Earth, because Earth's quite small, but there. It's paused, so I can now click on Earth. I think I can make Earth collapse in upon itself. I think if I make... If I make the mass tiny, won't it, like... I'm going to turn auto off. If I do it like 0.1, it's just made it very tiny. I don't think it's even done it. The moon's over here. What the hell? I need to make it like... I need to keep the mass the same, but keep it so that... what's the word? I need to find a way to keep the mass the same, but... So if I go for... If I change it back to Earth... Okay, that's fine. That's fine. If I then can find a way to lock the mass, which could be possible, which actually is possible, if I just find it somewhere, I should be able to find a way to lock the mass, and then we can just increase the density. I think that would do it. Let's make the density very, very low. I've just probably killed everyone on board on the Earth. We are very small now. If I then... Oh, there you go. We'll lock the mass and just make it like 0.0001. We've done it, I think. No, we haven't. We've just made it incredibly small, and the mass has just locked itself. If I just lock the mass at, let's say, 100 moons, which should be possible. Oh my god. Right. Then just make the radius nothing, basically. I didn't mean to make the radius nothing. I need to make the radius a bit bigger. It was density I needed to change, not radius. Oh, what have I just done? I think I may have... Yes, I've swallowed sand. That was not what I needed to do. If I then make the density, like, 0... Oh my god. How big of an object is that right now? Like... Oh. Oh no. Yeah, that's crashed the game. No, has it? It's just... I don't know what it's done, but it's turned into... It's got no mass and it's got no radius. But it's just... Oh my god, the density is not a number. So how big of an object is that right now? If I add... Let's say it might actually be very small. I want to add... There's fragments coming off this everywhere. Yeah, this is not going to work, I don't think, because... Oh my god. That's the Andromeda Galaxy. Yeah, we've really screwed this over, you know. Well, I mean, I made it, and I nearly crashed the game itself. Can I see Andromeda Galaxy? No, wrong way. Oh, there it is. What the hell? Oh, here it is. Oh my god, that is ridiculous. Right, okay, so this is only going by like 12 minutes. What was if I like speed it up a lot? Like speed up a lot, like speed up loads. Okay, it's gone. Ah, the music in this game is so cool. There is like a load of stuff now circling in this galaxy. This game is really... I love this game, man. I could play this for hours. Like this is just really cool to look at. And you can just do stuff like that I didn't even mean to do. So this is the Andromeda black hole. It's technically a galaxy as well, but my god. If I go to collisions, this could be interesting. Earth and Moon collision, slow motion. Oh my god, wait, if I do that again, but could I chop it? So if I just paused it like now, could I technically make that 1 second a second? So we're gonna have it, I think, in real time. Yeah, this is gonna take place in real time. This collision right now, and you can just about see the collision taking place here. This is real time. This is 1 second a second. So every second that goes by, it's a second in terms of this collision right now. Tonight's not very... My god. If I just go over here, zoom all the way in. I know it's like if you were on Earth and you saw that. Oh my god. That'd be horrific. Oh no. That would be horrifying. We should be safe. Oh no. The sea is like going inland. What the hell's going on? Like Florida's starting to flood a little bit. Africa, I think, is starting to flood a tiny bit as well, and I don't know what the hell's happened here. The Alps are gone. What the hell's happened? Is Antarctica still a thing? It is, just about. Oh my god. We're gonna have some fragments come off this very soon. This is really cool. I really like this. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is really cool. I don't know. To be fair, this might not be your thing if you're watching this. And it's like this, you might not enjoy watching stuff like this, but man, I could watch this for ages. There you go. Let's go into one of the fragments. That is very cool. Jesus Christ. If I just turn the torch on and go from the fragments, does it turn it on? Oh. That is this is really cool. Like, again, I could just watch this for ages. And this is, again, this is 1 second a second. This is realistic. This is like what would happen, although the moon would never just collide with the Earth like this. As far as my knowledge goes, it won't anyway. Or it can't, unless it knocks it off its orbit and knocks it into us. But that will take a lot. That's quite cool. I like that. That's really cool. Alright, let's speed up time a little bit, shall we? Whoa, 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 wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, look at all the fragments. That is so cool. All the fragments are coming off Earth, and it's evaporating, all the water's evaporating. And I think if you give it enough time, it will actually start to... and that all took place in 24 minutes. Let's speed it up. Speed it up, speed it way up, way up, way up, way up, way up. Let's see if we can make the Earth back into the Earth after that collision. We've got to give it time. We've got to give it loads of time, loads of time, loads of time, loads of time, loads of time. Get the years even. The Earth is going into a freeze by the looks of things. It's actually just turned into an ice ball. And the average temperature is that the planet's freezing basically. But if I paused it very quickly and went on to this and turned the average temperature of the Earth to... I need to turn that down a bit. Alright, there you go. I can invert gravity? Jesus. Right, surface. This is what I needed. Minimum temperature. Let's go for 10 degrees Celsius. And the Earth's kind of come back in a weird way. You can see bits of it. Yeah, no, that hasn't worked. Well, we need to get it orbiting a planet, realistically. We need to get it orbiting a sun. And then I think we can actually possibly... There's a possibility we can make this planet orbit again. As long as the sun is not too close that it just kills the Earth. Do I chuck it there, maybe? That didn't work. Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! What the hell's happened? And now let's get Earth involved in this. Let's get Neptune involved in this. Let's get Mars involved in this. Let's just get all the planets back involved in whatever the hell's going on here. Oh, I think they may have ejected because I cannot see where they are. Let's just add a load of Venuses. That all happened in 921 years as well. Yeah, everything's ejected. Everything's gone. Whoa! Whoa, that was close. You know what? We need to clean up. We need a big clean up. We need a big old clean up. Black hole. That's not black hole. Here they are. And boom. Oh, what have I just done? Okay. Wait, what the hell? They're orbiting each other. I think. Right, let me just very quickly go off there and let's get rid of this black hole, shall we? Because we don't need it anymore. Explode. Black hole. Oh, I forget that, yeah, doing that is bad because... Oh, I just exploded Venus as well. Right, I want to stop doing that and go over to... Let's go over here. Am I even getting any closer to it? Oh, I am. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, that was bad because it's... Oh no. That's not exactly what we wanted to hear, is it? Okay, that is not meant to happen. Right, let's go find some more. I probably won't be on for much longer, just because I'm probably going to do Lethal again tonight as well. But I just thought I'd do a little one of these Sun and Earth collision. Well, that was over very, very quickly. I think we're probably going to need to skip that one because I don't think that's going to work for us. Earth and Eris collision. Jupiter and Earth collision. We could have a look at Jupiter and Earth. It's just, it might be Earth and asteroid collision. Let's pause it. Just because I think the asteroids are going to come in way too quickly. Yeah. I need to turn that down to... not 10 minutes, Jesus. 1 minute. Right, here we go. Alright, here the asteroids go. This might just be a asteroid. Like, this might actually... Okay! It hit right in the Pacific Ocean. By those things as well, yeah. Did another one make contact, or no? That's caused a bit of damage. That's caused... That's not needed. Let's go to Earth and let's see if we can do some cool stuff with Earth, shall we? Just for the time being. Stabilize temperature. We could stabilize the temperature. We could do something with this. Oh no! I didn't realise to do that. I didn't mean to do that. I've just accidentally... I froze the entire planet. Now the planet doesn't have an atmosphere. Now everything else has been frozen over, and because I think we don't have a star, it's gonna never unfreeze itself. Yeah, it's been a few million years, and nothing's happened. What if I were to melt all, like right now, like... Obviously, we're in this predicament. We're in this bad situation. Okay, what would happen if I suddenly melted all of it? I melted all of it again. You can't because it's... Yeah, I've just realised, yeah, because it's... By the time you've melted it all, it's... I'm just reducing it by, like, loads. Let me just reduce it even more. Then if I was to melt all again, there we go. We've got a bit of... We've got a sea. Settle liquid. Oh, wait, what the hell? What's going to happen? Like, would it just eventually freeze? Yeah, that's freezing over. Yeah, because the average temperature is literally minus 27 degrees Celsius. This will just all freeze over, even if I just keep melting it. It will all. I can add a new material. Helium. Liquid mass. Let's do Jupiter's mass in helium. And let's do 12. Oh, I just turned Earth into a gas giant. I did not mean to do that. You know, I might actually. This is quite interesting, to be fair. Open multiple data. Okay. Okay, so we got day and night. We got a day and night cycle on this planet. Would it eventually just freeze over, or what will happen to this planet now? I don't think anything's going to happen to it. It's got a rotational period. It's got a very slow rotational period. I'm on top of it, so we can actually see the planet. And I've accidentally turned this planet into a gas giant. I just went. That's just gonna disappear it. I've just created a black hole, I think. Oh, I'm actually in the black hole. Oh, there it is. What's the temperature of it? Still cold. Infinity, I think that says. Positive infinity. Times that by let's just keep going up. That radius is mental. That is quite insane.